How to restore, reinstall an app from an archive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and click on App. After click on App, if you want to restore an app from archive, click on Restore. After click on Restore, app is restored according to your internet connection. So after restore, go back to home screen. So that's how you can restore and reinstall an app from an archive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.